Okay, now? All fine. And what is Charlu? What is sum of n terms of GP? That you are telling the GP now formula for sum of n terms. You are telling GP or AP, what you are telling? All of it be quiet. Sir, come over here, na? Yes, I'll be sum of n terms of GP. Yes, here is sum of n terms. SN, na? SN is equal to formula. No. Yes, that we you learn SN formula sum of n terms of GP. No, sir. 13. Today school only, na? Tell. There are three cases are coming. When R is equal to 1, SN is equal to n times A. And when R is less, mod of R less than 1.
R less than 1. SN equal to 8 times 1 minus R to the power n.
1 minus R is to n upon 1 minus R. Okay. And R is greater, mod R greater than 1.
8 times R to the power n minus 1 upon R.
A into R raised to n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. Sit down, home standard. There is a sit down. I given with a special formula also given now with L.
Yes.
What is it?
SN when last term is given A minus LR upon
A minus LR upon 1 minus R. Okay. A minus LR upon 1 minus R. That is the second form is given. This is sum of n terms. Okay. Sit down. Yes. AP all of it. AP is there for your exam, no?
Yes, sir.
Sum of n terms of the AP, you know.
Yes, sir.
Obviously, okay. Then. Oh, she said obviously.
SN equal to n by 2 times 12 plus n minus 1. And SN equal to n by 2 times a plus 7.
N by 2 times
A plus 7.
A plus n. SN. This is SN. Okay. This is SN is sum of n terms of an AP. Okay, what is it? How will you find it? A and D.
A and D.
Is A and D. A and D and T N. Right, question all of you. In an AP, who is talking there? In an AP, SN is equal to 3n square. In an AP, SN is equal to 3n square minus 2n. Find A and D. If you got A and D, you can find everything. Find A and D. Why are you laying? Why are you laying? Why? SN is equal to in an AP, SN is equal to find A and D. Find the first term and common B. Why late? What is the question? Who said what is question now? Rudra, Rudra, stand up. Come out. Go to the next slide. Yeah. Time. Very. Okay. I'm not finding even it's a question mark given final mark. Okay, listen all of you. No, not that way. You will not, you are applying, quite a lot of people are applying SN formula. You cannot apply SN formula and get. SN formula contains n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. For that one, you don't have a, you don't have d. So two unknown things, and you should get at least two conditions. Whenever two unknown, in fact, there are three unknown things are there, A, D, and N. So you cannot do anything. What is the meaning of SN? Sum of n terms. So if I put n is equal to 1, what will you get? S1. S1 means how much? 3 into 1 square minus 2 into 1. That is equal to 1. S1 means sum of how many terms? One term. So that is same as A1 or that is A. S1 is equal to sum of one term. That is equal to, therefore A is equal to 1. First answer got, who got, nobody got. Then second one, put n is equal to 2. Then what will you get? S2 is equal to 2 square, 4 3s are 12 minus 4, which is equal to 8. S2 is same as T1 plus T2. Yes or no? Yes. T1 plus T2 is equal to 8. T1 is same as A plus T2 is same as what? A plus T is equal to 8. What is the value of A? 1 plus 1, 2 is equal to 8 minus 6. Oh. Are you followed? Okay. Not complicated ones. Easy one only. Be careful while doing. If you are going to do SN formula applying, you will not get anything. Three things are there. A we don't know, N we don't know, and D we don't know. Then what you do? You cannot do. Okay. Now, if this one here, what did you do? What is it? No, look here. See, Preet asked now, is it AP or GP? Anna? Naturally, it's a question, is a valid question because you know you are studying both the topics. Anyway, this exam it is not coming for GP, so there is nothing like GP. But later in AP and GP is coming. If it is not mentioned, remember if it is here n square and then quadratic polynomial form, it is always AP. GP's terms are coming this one. What is the formula was given? A into R raised to n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. Suppose A is equal to, let's say, as 3 and R is equal to 2. So then what will be the SN over here? SN is equal to 3 into 2 raised to n minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. Yes or no? Yes. That is equal to 3 times 2 raised to n minus 1. Means something raised to n will come. In GP, this is n square. Here something raised to n, 2 raised to n, 1 by 2 raised to n, like that it is coming in GP. So that way you can identify, is it this one, GP terms of. Similar property we will apply in this case also. If it is, for example, since it is come, if it is given in a GP, SN is equal to this way. Find the first term and common ratio. The same process we can put n is equal to 1. When n is equal to 1, what will you get here? S1. S1 is equal to what? 3 times 2 raised to 1 minus 1. That is equal to 3. S1 is sum of one term, that is equal to 8. Then next is, what is the second one is coming as? S2. S2 is equal to what will you get here? 3 into 2 square. That is 4 minus 1. That is equal to 9. S2 is T1 plus T2. Is equal to how much? 9. That is 3 plus 3R. A plus AR is equal to 9. So 6. And this is coming as R is equal to 6 by 3. Followed? Yes. The same method is both of them, same format it is coming. Okay, so that is all. Now. Done all of you? Yes. Nice, no? Exercise we are not done for SN, no? No. Until onwards your exam starting? Yes. It doesn't rain. Online exam will not be there. No? Think about online exam. No, online marks. Online exam, how will get marks? No. Okay. So, exercise 14.11. Once again, before exam, since exam topic has come, here your mark, MCQ mark is how many? 16 questions are there. 15 or 16 is there, I don't. Yeah. Okay, 16 questions of the MCQs are there. Don't think MCQs are easy. It's very difficult to score mark in MCQ. Because other questions you have steps marking in there. It is a 3-mark question, something is written, means some steps are there, either 1 or 2 marks you'll get. Whereas MCQ, either it is full mark or no mark. So be careful while at least on doing the questions. Okay, take care about the MCQs. We double make sure that you are quite a lot of people are losing the mark in MCQs. Okay, so be very careful. Okay. Question, exercise. Which exercise you are doing? 11.4. Okay, 11.4. Exercise 11.4, some of them come from the GPS. Okay, there are a lot of problems. What is going on here? Yeah. Okay. Question. And find the sum of 0.3. Question 1. Read the question. The sum of how many? 0.3,
0.03, 0.00.
etc. till how many terms? 8 terms. Therefore, the GP is already given. A is equal to how much? 0.3. R is equal to T2 upon T1. That is equal to 0.03 upon 0.3. That is equal to 0.1. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Or 1 by 10, 0.1, whichever. N is equal to how much? 8. Therefore, Sn, value of R is less than 1 or not?
Yes.
Therefore, Sn, what is the formula? A into 1 minus R raised to N divided by 1 minus R. That is equal to 0.3 into 1 minus 0.1 raised to 8 divided by 1 minus 0.1. That is 0.3 upon 0.9. So 1 minus 0.1 raised to 8. That is 1 point, decimal go 1 by 3 into 1 minus 0.1 raised to 8. Don't go any simplification further. How will you simplify? If you want to do means you can simplify. 0.1 raised to 8 means 1, 0 followed by how many zeros? 7 zeros and 1. Then subtract and not inverse. Okay, hope you got it. All right. Okay. Second question. Up to n terms. Sequence is what? 1 minus 1 by 3. 1 plus 1 by 3 square. Yes or no? Or 9?
Minus square.
Minus x plus etc. How many terms? N terms. So find out A, find out R, 3. Between what happened? How many more little this side? Yes, got it. So value of A is equal to 1. First time, no? Why did you take LCM? Remember what was 1 by 3. Then what? Let's do next one. First term is this one, second term is, what is the first term? 1. Second term, minus 1 by 7. Third term, plus 1 by 3 square. Fourth term, minus 1 by 3. We followed? Okay, this is series. A is equal to 1. R is equal to T2 upon D1. Minus 1 by 3 upon 1 minus 1 by 3. N is same as N only. Then R is less than 1 now. Yes. So formula Sn equal to A into 1 minus R is 12. Yes, simplify and then. What happened? Bigger than, less than, minus 1.
No, then you have.
Even that we are writing formula also, opposite sign only will come. There is not much difference. Okay. Simplify and see what it is. What happened? Not getting. A is how much? 1 minus 1 minus 1 by 3 raised to n divided by 1 minus 1 plus 1. What is 1 plus 1 by 3? 4 by 5. So it will come 3 by 4 now.
Yes.
1 minus 1 by 3. Because minus 1 cannot be simplified further. Okay. You want to write the minus 1 raised to n upon 3 raised to n and fraction. Enough. Okay. Can you take this minus inside? Okay, no, minus and minus plus and or no. These two. Okay, be careful doing. Next question. This was question number which one? Second one. Third one. Read.
How many terms of the geometric progression 1 plus 4 plus 16 plus 64 must be added to get sum equal to 5461?
5461. No. So GP is given. So A is given. How much? 1. R is equal to T2 by T1, 4 by 1, which is equal to 4. And S is given. Sn is given 5461. Okay. The formula R is greater than 1. So other second formula. And substitute and simplify. Sn is equal to A into R raised to n minus 1 for R minus 1. Put the value of A, put the value of R and Sn. All substitute, simplify. Opposite formula na R greater than 1 na. Interchange and write, there is no problem. See, that's coming now. Huh? How many chapters? Only similar chapters. Sophie, practicing our. Yes. Who got the value pen? No one. So not giving. combined what these two are doing? Five, 4, 6, 1 is equal to A is 1 into 4 raised to n minus 1 divided by 4 minus 4. Okay, 4 minus 1 is how much? 3. 5, 4, 6, 1 into 3 is equal to 4 raised to n minus 1. Therefore, 4 raised to n is equal to multiplication done? Yes. How much? 16383 plus 1, 16384. Make the 4 power to factorize. Because 4 power n now, so make it to the 4th power. Factorize in terms of 4. 4 raised to how much? How did you get this one factorized? No. Sorry, send you to 4th standard. Mistake. Another one, another mistake. It is 4, 0. Most of the people attend 496. Then 1, 0. How much? 2. Here. Completed all of you?
Yes,
Calculation sometimes. Factorization, be careful. Nail, you're okay now? So then read the next question. Parents are your friend Akansha. Sleeping. How do I know?
The first term of the change is 27 and its eighth term is minus first 10.
First 10 term. So first term A is equal to how much? 27. And 8th term is T8 is equal to 1 by 81. So you can find out R from here.
Yes.
Sum of first 10 terms, no, last it is not last. So TR, Tn, T8 is equal to what is the formula? AR raised to 7. Replace and get the value. Yes. I will bring this 27 here and factorize now. Oh. These will come down now. Why it is very wrong. 1 by 7. This is 3 raised to 4 and 3 raised to 3. So 1 upon 3 raised to 7. So R is equal to 1 by 3. N is equal to 10. Then Sn. You have A, you have R, you have N. Replace the values. Simplification, you have to do it. There are simplifications you can do. G7 will be cancelled. N is how much? God will not come, you have to do it. But why did you cut here N is equal to 10? You should have substituted only, no? That will be right. So is equal to 27 to 1 minus 1 by 3 raised to 10 divided by what is it coming here? 1 minus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3. So 27 into, listen here. This can be as 1 minus 1 upon 3 raised to 10 divided by 2 by 3. That is 381 upon 2 into 3 raised to 10 minus 1 upon 3 raised to 10. Can cancel 81 is 3 raised to 4, no? That is equal to. So you get as 3 raised to 10 minus 1 divided by 2 into 3 raised to 6. 81 is 3 raised to 4. 3 raised to 6 you can multiply. 3 raised to 6 is how much? 7. 29. Now 3 cube is how much? 27. 27 sir. 729. 729 into 2 you can do. 729 into 2. 1 4 5 8. No, not really. What which this much is clear. This not clear. This also clear. This is clear. All of you, anyone having a problem? This is 1 raised to 10 upon 3 raised to 10 is 1 by 3 raised to 10. Take its LCM. When LCM means divided denominator 3 raised to 10. 3 raised to 10 minus 1 upon 3 raised to 10. This also is okay? Yes. Now, no. What is there we have done? Look, 27 into 3 by 2. That is okay. Then next is 3 raised to 10 is the LCM. So what will you get? 3 raised to 10 minus 1. Okay now? Now this is 3 raised to 4 divided by 2 into 3 raised to 10 minus 1 upon 3 raised to 10. This is 4 times and 6 times. Cancelled. 3 raised to 6 is 729 into 2. 1458. Okay? Huh? Hey. Tell na. No, we should 3 raised to 6 only. What is the one? All right. Okay. The 2 into 3 raised to 6. They have normal calculation to get. 3 cube is 27. 27 square 720. Back if you want 3 raised to 10 or 6, you find out. 3 raised to 6 you got now. How much? 3 raised to 6, 729. Into 3 raised to 4. 3 raised to 4 is 81. 729 into 81. That one multiplication. You have to simplify what one multiplication only there. 3 raised to 6, that is equal to 729 already got. 3 raised to 4, 80. That you can do it if you want. Okay, leave it. Okay, question number. So, 5th one. Okay. Question, how many terms must be taken? Sum is equal to 728. So you have to find. So GP only now? Is it given the GP? No. What is it? What is the sequence? 2 plus 6 plus 18 plus etc. Where S is equal to how much? 720. 728. So it's a G, right? First is it's a GP. A is equal to 2. R is equal to 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. Sn is equal to how much? 720. Write the formula and substitute, all of you. And get the value of n. It won't be much complicated.
And
Sn formula A into R raised to n minus 1. Bracket and all of that. So 729 is 3 raised to 6. Therefore, n is equal to 6. When we yeah, complete all of you. Next one, that is question number which one? Sixth one. Sixth one. So what is it? 4 plus 44, 444, etc. Now, how many terms they asked to find out? And listen carefully. It's a common rule we are going to apply. Listen. One, I will do it. After that, you will all do the questions. Okay. So listen. If it is given us, instead of that, let's say I'll do another one. Same only. 5 plus 55 plus 555 plus etc. n terms. Stop talking. Now, this one, this same question can be 1 plus 11 plus 111 etc. or 2 plus 22 plus 222, like any one. All of them we are going to do the same form. If you look at this sequence, it's not a GP. Is it a GP? No. How do you find out? 55 divided by 5, 11. But this will not be 11. It's neither AP nor GP. What is the way? Means you will take it as Sn is equal to. Common rule in this way, we will take 5. So it is coming as what? 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus etc. How many terms? N terms. Okay. If it was a 2 means 2 we take common. Next step, still it is not become a GP. What you do means multiply and divide by 9. Means 5 by 9 into this will come everything multiply 9 plus 99 plus 999. This is followed all of you. First we take 5 as common, multiply and divide by 9. Still it is not a GP. Okay. So what we do this one means 5 by 9 into 9 can be written as 10 minus 1. 99 can be written as 100 minus 1 is same as 10 square minus 1. Then minus 1 plus etc. n terms up. What is the last term?
10 raised to
10 raised to n minus 1. This is 1. Okay. Now, that is 5 by 9 into next lecture. Next lecture. Now, what is the time now? 7. Next lecture. Next, 10 plus 10 square plus 10 cube, etc. How many terms? N terms. minus. How many minus 1 is there? Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. How many terms are there? N terms means that is same as minus n. Are you followed how it is minus n? Minus n means see here what is left out minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, etc. If you are adding 1 adding n times is equal to 1 is added 20 times, what is the answer? 20. 1 is added 50 times, what is the answer? 50. 1 is added n times means n. Clear all of you?
Yes.
Now see we got a GPO here. What is the first term? 10. Common ratio 10. So we can apply the formula 5 by 9 into this you will write as A. Okay, here A is equal to 10, R is equal to 10. Therefore, A into R is to n minus 1 divided by R minus 1 minus n. Sorry, 5 by 9 into A is 10 into 10 raised to n minus 1 divided by 10 minus 1. Last simplification, you can take LCM over here, so take it here. 5 upon 81. Into bracket what we get? 10 into 10 raised to n minus 1 minus 9. This was divided by 1. You will see this is the format. See here it was 5, 55, etc. This is 5. If it was 4, 44, etc., this will be 4 by 81 into same thing. If it is coming as 9, etc., means 9 by 81 into that. Understood or no? Let me clear now. That is the format everyone. Yes. Puskaraj, you're going to explain on. Yeah. Yes, what is it out? Yeah, listen once again. The formula shortcut forms you have to remember this. Okay, 10 into 10 raised to n minus 1 minus 9. Okay, return this one or directly do the question. 4 plus. 4 plus. All you want to write this one? 4 itself we can write 4 plus. Right. Sn is equal to 4. Same format only. Try to do it yourself. I'm not erasing this one. All right. 4 plus 44, 444, etc. What happened? What is the discussion? You have a doubt? You have a doubt? Simply time pass doing. Selena, who got? Yes. Started doing 4 plus the same format, do it. Let's see. Yes, Rudra, what happened? 9 came, we how become 1 has become 9, etc. This was 1, 11, 111, etc. No? Then what is the next step is written? 9, 99, etc. So multiply and divide by 9. That 9 is multiplied over here, divided by 9. Okay. Not really. Where are the steps are written? Such a directly written 4 by 19. You just wrote this on 4 or 5. The second, that's Pratham, Ismail steps are written.
This penny.
And then you will do, I'll give one question on the body, you will do it.
No. First step, that is.
Actually, this is a formula. My friend, you have to write this my steps, not that much, 1, 4, 5, 9. Complete all of you?
Yeah.
Done. Completed all of you? This one thing done. Deepika? Exactly same.
First step, six clarity. Things are very likely.
Yeah. Complete all of you? Question? Go back. Last thing that's okay. AD upon DB is equal to 4 upon 7.
What do we have to?
You're sleeping now, sleeping. Okay, you know what? Answer got it. Got me one. So get the answer. Completed or wasting the time only? But after you completed, I will do. Read triangle not revised. Similarity. No. What is this figure? What are these lines below? Additional information. How many are getting the answer? 3, 4, 5. Okay, now next. Third part. First and second is done now. Define the area of all the other triangles. Triangle, the area of triangle DOA is 28. Find the area of all the other. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means out of which one triangle is given. Means you can mark that one or any area you can find it. Or find the area of the complete triangle. Also you can do. Yeah. Enough. Hey, Gauri, what's the first answer you got?
I didn't.
I didn't get even a single answer.
No.
Very good. Thanks. Okay. Girl side, huh? Girl side, who got the answer? Any part? Sidra got the answer? Yes, Nishita got the answer?
First part.
First part you got. Okay, tell what the first part answer. 16 by 121. Yes. All of you got. Yes. First and foremost thing is, look here. DOE and POC, COP, you can prove they are similar. Vertically opposite angle, alternate linear angle. Therefore, ratio of the areas is equal to square of the side. Square of the sides are DE upon BC all square. Yes. To get DE upon BC, we don't have. We have this is 4 and this is 7. Therefore, AD upon AB is equal to 4 upon 11. Then you can prove triangle AD is similar to triangle ABC. Yes or no? Yes. Common angle and corresponding angle. Therefore, since triangle AD and ABC are similar, so you will get DE by BC also is equal to how much you will get as? DE by BC is equal to AD upon AB, which is equal to how much? 4 by 11. Okay, so you can prove these two triangles are similar. Therefore, it is square on the sides is coming at 16 upon 121. Second one who got? Only boys, girls, no, just sit there and say, okay. Yes, Archit.
16 upon 49.
16 upon 4 DOE upon COE, that is correct. Who else?
4 by 7.
4 by 7. You all.
If not squared.
If not square. Achha, you option is given to the teacher. You square or divide.
Square. Square of the side.
Yeah, listen here. What he said is correct. Look, these two, what did you get? Look, these two triangles, DOE and COE. These two triangles cannot be proved similar. When similar, only square of the sides will come now. They is not similar, then when the triangles are not similar, ratio of the areas equal to ratio of their sides, bases, because the common vertex. Therefore, DOE upon COE is equal to DO upon OC. DO upon OC also will come 4 upon 7. Is 4 upon 7. Yes. 4 upon 7 is coming or 4 upon 11 is coming?
4 7, no? 7. EC is 7, AC 11, AE 4.
These two triangles are similar, no?
Yes.
Okay, DE upon EC is equal to correspondingly, okay, so it is 4 upon 7 is.
Yes.
Okay, and just followed all of you?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the one. Then, next part, how do you get? This area you got now.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, you can get this area. Even this area you can get. If this area, again this area, these two will be same area you will get. Then if you add again, if pull this area, then again you can get this triangle area. Understood? Area you can compare and keep on doing. All right.
Yes, sir.
Then this one, these two, you got the ratio now. One of the area means substitute over there. You will get this triangle area. That is same this area also. These two areas square property applies. The OE is called what now? That is the condition. Geometry part still most of the people are not done. That is the main area you are not done, but a lot of people. Okay, at least you know textbook double questions do it so that you know simple ones and all you can able to do it. Yeah. See this one I think now Monday onwards exams.
Yes.
Daily exams are there.
Yeah.
So do well, practice and do. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. I'm over now. You got the 7:30. I got 7:30. Okay, one more. One more. Next one. Which chapter you want? Okay, that's fine. The matrices. Question. Find the matrix X. X is the matrix. A is given. B is given. You have to find the matrix X. Who got the answer? Yeah. First and foremost, X is on. What is the order of X? 2 by 2. Then continue. Order of X is 2 by 2. So write a matrix of 2 by 2. 2 by 2, you can take, let's say, A, B, C, D. Multiply and equate. This one, all of you can do it. Answer can be, this is in practical. Matrix multiplication most of you are doing correct. Got it. Not getting still multiply now. This is coming out 2A plus T. Then next is 2B plus T. Then A minus 3T. B minus 3D is equal to 4, 3, 1, 2. Equate 2A plus C is equal to 4. A minus 3C is equal to 1. 2B plus D is equal to 3. B minus 3D is equal to 2. Solving is the problem. Multiply this by 3. So what do you get? 6A plus 3C is equal to 12. A minus 3C is equal to 1. 5, so addition of 7. 7A is equal to 13. A is equal to 13 by 7. Who got 13 by 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then replace C. So you will get as what? A you got C is equal to 4 minus 2A. That is 4 minus 26 upon 7. That is equal to 2 by 7. Yes or no? No? Yeah. Then same way solution. What is the value of C and B and D? B is equal to 1 and 1.
B is 11 by 7.
B is 1 and 1. 2 plus 3. 1 and 11.
11 by 7. 11 by 7 minus 1.
11 by 7 and D.
Minus
1 upon 7. Write the answer in, listen, not to stop over here, write the answer in metric form. X. Okay, is equal to. So write the answer by Chalo, all right, okay. There are some people are meeting here.
Very good.